Hi everybody! So now you know how to do the first and the second row. Of course, if you don't know how to do the first and the second row, you can always watch the second and third lesson. So today we'll do a little bow, like this one, a little bow. It's very easy and it's very nice first kid project. It's very cute. So, and like this I can show you how to blind off. So let's do it. So I already did my first 7 rows. So on the 7 rows, I will explain to you, you need to do 8 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you remember how to do the stitches with the thumb like this. Remember, you can see on the second lesson. And we'll do 8 stitches and 10 rows. So I have already 7 rows. I need to do 3 more. So let's do it. So you remember the little story of the little man who want to go outside. So you need to put his hat, put his scarf on, close his coat, and go outside. Put his hat, put his scarf on, close his coat, and go outside. Put his hat, the scarf on, close the coat, and go outside. Okay, so I'll do it a little bit faster. But you don't need to do it fast. Okay. And now I have 8 rows. Just switch the needles. Now I have 10 rows. On the last row, we need to blind off. So I have 9 rows. So let's blind off. It's very easy. So you need to do 2 stitches. 2 men need to go outside. So you do 2 stitches. One, 2. And the first stitches, this one, I'm going closer. The first stitch need to pass over the second one. And you pull a little bit. And you do this again. 1 more stitches. Now you have 2 stitches on your left, on your right and the needles. And the first stitches passed over the second one. And you pull. Oops. A little bit more. Okay, one more stitches. Pass over, pull. One more stitches. Pass over and pull. One more stitch. Pass over and pull. One more stitch. The first pass over the second and pull. And the last one. One more stitch. The first passed over the second and pull. And now you have just one stitch on your needle. And you just need to get the yarn. You can take off the needles and you take this little yard, you see, and you just pass inside like this, the finger, the stitch, and just pull like this. And now you have a little square. You have a little square. And to do a bow, you need to fold this little square. And with this yarn, you need just to put this yarn inside the stitch like this. Up. Just put inside the stitch. If you have big stitch, like this one. Take the other one. Like this. Hopla. And now you have this. When you fold, you have just this. And you take some yarn. If you want to change the color, you always can change the color. So let's change the color if you want. Take some yarn. Just cut some yarn. Take the bow. If you want to do, I did a braid on my yarn. You can do a little braid if you want, but you don't need. Just do a little loops. It just pull, 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 pull. Pull. Do it again. Up. You see? Up, up, up. Just do a little loops. And And that's it. You have your little bow, your pink little bow. Maybe I have to. That's it. So see you to the next lesson. Bye.